Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the issue where Microsoft Authenticator is not showing codes on your new phone and restore your account access in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. In your Microsoft account, on the left side of your screen, click Security. After clicking Security, click Manage How I Sign In. Scroll down until you see a Send Sign In notification. In here, click Remove. On your Authenticator app, you should see a notification that your Authenticator app has been disconnected. After the disconnection, go to the option where it says Add another way to sign in to your account. Click and click Use an app. In here, just proceed to the steps. Get it now. Next. In your Authenticator app, scan the code. After scanning the code, you would be able to see that your Microsoft account is now connected once again. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.